We received this from a company called Gotye. This is the product we were going to be reviewing. And it's going to take maybe a week or a month for hummingbirds, and we're excited. Yeah, hummingbird. So, as you can see, she's had ice cream, and she's really excited. And we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside the box. Add some fluid in there, and wait for some hummingbirds, and we will touch base with you guys in a little bit. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow. There it is. Look at that. Nice quality. That's pretty. Can you guys see that? It's glass. Nice little, really nice actually. The nicest hummingbird feeder I've ever seen. Nice. Even comes with a little bag. Okay, hold on. Trying the thread. Oh, that's nice. And then you're gonna put it somewhere where you can see the hummingbirds. Right next to my kitchen. Come on. Getting rid of the negative bug killer and inviting some nice little birdies. And that's how you do it. You might want to secure it just in case. And then here's our little spigots. Look how pretty they are. I think they're gonna like it. If you're interested in this beauty, see the link in the description. I will definitely reinforce it here just in case it gets windy. Don't want this thing breaking the first time. Note to self, do not make a video with your 3-year-old. Thank you.